Shaolin shadow boxing and the Wu-Tang sword style. If what you say is true, the Shaolin and the Wu-Tang could be dangerous. Do you think your Wu-Tang sword can defeat me?
On guard. I'll let you try my Wu-Tang style.
Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus!
Ghostface, catch the blast of a hype verse. My Glock burst, leaving a hearse. I did worse. I come rough, tough like an elephant tusk. Your head rush, fly like Egyptian musk. Aw shit, Wu-Tang Clan sparked the Wixen. However, I mastered a trick just like Nixon, causing terror, quick damage your whole era. Hard rocks is locked the fuck up. I found shot, PLO style, hazardous, cause I wreck this dangerous. I blow spots like Waco, Texas.
I watch my back like I'm locked down. Hardcore hitting sound, watch me act raw and tear down. A literate type asshole. Songs going gold, no doubt. And you watch your corny nigga foe. Yeah, they faking all that. Carrying gats, but your mind plan rolling like 40 max. Now you act convinced, I guess it makes sense. Wu-Tang, yo, so represent. I wait for one to act up. Now I got him backed up. Gun to his neck now, react what? And that's one in the chamber. Wu-Tang banger, 36 styles of danger.
Bring the motherfucking ruckus! 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 Bring the motherfucking ruckus!
I whip it, hardcore like porno flick bitches. I roll with groups of ghetto bastards with biscuits. Check it, my method on the microphone's banging. Wu-Tang slang, I leave your headpiece hanging. Plus this, I'm kicking like Seagal out for justice. The roughness, just the rudeness, ruckus. Red rum, I verbally assault with the tongue. Murder one, my style shocks you not like a stun gun. I'm hectic, I reckon with the quickness. Set it on the microphone, the competition get blown. While this nasty ass nigga with my nigga, the RZA, charged like a bull and got pulled like a trigger. So bad, stabbing up the pad with the vocab crabs. I scream on your ass like your dad, bring it all.
Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus!
Yo, I'm more rugged than slave man boots, new recruits. I'm fucking up MC troops. I break blues and trample shit while I stomp. I'm unholing that ass cause I'm straight out the swamp. Creeping up on sight, now it's Fright Night. My Wu-Tang slang is mad fucking dangerous and more deadly than the stroke of an axe. Chopping through your back, giving bystanders heart attacks. Niggas try to flake, tell me who is them. I blow up this fucking prism, make it a vicious act of terrorism. You wanna bring it, so fuck it. Come on and bring the ruckus. Then I provoke niggas to kick buckets. I'm wetting cream, I ain't wetting fame. Who's selling game? I'm giving out a deadly game. It's not the Russian, it's the Wu-Tang crushing. Roulette, slip up, you get fucked like Suzette. Bring the fucking rockets.
Bring the motherfucking ruckus! Bring the motherfucking ruckus!
On guard. I'll let you try my Wu-Tang style.
So bring it on! 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 So bring it on, nigga!
Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.
Automatic, in the trunk. Shoot the maggots with the pump. Thought it natty. Love the paddock on my arm. He got static. Pussy nigga run your charm. Ghostface killers. Wu-Tang. 21 News Gang. Drug dealers in the Mulsanne. At the top of the food chain. Trapping the cocaine. No game. Shooter with no names. We can play toe games. The whole game. Kicking your dough, man. Yeah. Put on the paddock. Pop said it. I'm an addict. Break the mattress with a batty on the attic. Diamond glasses. Need some glasses for the flashes. Yeah. Michael Jackson with the fashion. Bitch, I'm dabbing. Yeah. I do this shit on purpose. Got these bitches slurping. Oh, your pockets on hurtin'. Nigga, you could be my servant. Go to the line, young nigga, don't listen, I purchase. After I cut up the thought, I give her some money for services. Wherever I go, the whole gang gon' go. Yeah, you cannot tame the hoe because she won't fame for show. You think that you rich cause you got 100 or more. I got an overload, look like I just sold my soul. I pull up before a leader, I got the stripes, Adidas. I got a farm, mama, see it, and I've been known to beat it. Niggas ain't going defeated, we get the guns immediate. No burning the group is an idiot. These niggas is broken, it's pitiful. Automatics in the trunk. Shoot the maggots with the pump. Thought it natty. Love the paddock on my arm. He got static. Pussy nigga run your charm. Ghostface killers. Wu-Tang. 21 News Gang. Drug dealers in the Mulsanne. At the top of the food chain. Trapping the cocaine. No game. Shooter with no names. We can play toe games. The whole game. Kicking your dough, man.
Yeah. Kim Jong, yeah, big bomb. Wonder bread, man, make your bitch lick crumb. Yeah, out of my pocket, flooded, got my wrist numb. Blink, grab the hit stick, nigga tryna blitz some. Dope boy, I sell coke, boy. You broke ass rappers food, it's a pole, boy. Everybody the same, all these niggas sound alike. Yeah,